The Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo, a closed-wheel single-seater, is the first Ferrari concept car created specifically for the virtual motorsport world. The car's design has its roots firmly in Maranello's unparalleled racing tradition, with the number 75 on its flanks reflecting that noble heritage. The launch of the Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo in fact brings the 75th anniversary celebrations of when the marque's first ever racing car, the 125S, exited the iconic factory gates in 1947, to an official close. To mark that occasion, this model not only signifies an important step for Ferrari in the virtual environment, where it will inspire new generations of passionate drivers and enthusiasts, but also redefines the company's stylistic language. It represents a futuristic design manifesto for Ferrari's road and racing cars, embodying the maximum expression of formal beauty and innovation, and providing a stimulus for both the engineers and drivers, real and virtual, of tomorrow. The Ferrari Vision Gran Turismo sports the same 120-degree 3-liter turbo V6 architecture adopted on the 296 GTB, 296 GTS and 296 GT3 that also powers the new 499p. However, in this installation, there were no technical regulation constraints to comply with, so it was further honed to unleash genuinely extreme performance. In this particular configuration, the engine is tuned to deliver a massive 1030 horsepower at 9000 revolutions per minute, with an additional 326 horsepower available from 3 electric motors, one on the rear axle and one on each of the front wheels. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.